In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Telegram Web. Telegram Web lets you use your chats right from a browser, which is perfect for typing on a full keyboard or checking messages while working on your computer. There are two ways to sign in. I'll start with the recommended method using a QR code, then show you how to log in with your phone number. First, open a modern browser on your computer and go to web.telegram.org. Make sure you are on the official website and that your internet connection is stable. You'll see a large QR code on the page. Now, pick up your phone and open the Telegram app. On Android, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Then go to Settings, choose Devices, and tap Link Desktop Device. On iOS, go to Settings, then Devices, and tap Link Desktop Device. Your phone will open a camera view. Point it at the QR code on your computer screen and hold steady until it recognizes it. Within a moment, your browser will log into Telegram Web and you'll see your chats appear. If you are on a shared or public computer, remember that you can later go back to Devices in your mobile app to review active sessions and log out remotely for security. If you prefer to log in by phone number, you can do that from the same page on web.telegram.org. Click the option labeled Login by phone number beneath the QR code. A form will appear. Select your country, enter your phone number carefully, then click Next. Telegram will send a verification code to your Telegram app on your phone. Open the app, find the code, and type it into the browser prompt exactly as shown. These codes are time-sensitive, so enter it promptly and never share it with anyone. Once the code is verified, your chats will load in the browser, just like the QR method. That's it. Thanks for watching.